everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. Arunaima here. Today I'm gonna be making carrot oil at home. It's very easy and beneficial. Carrot is packed with vitamin A and E. It can make your skin glow. Also, the consumption of carrots keeps your skin healthy and vibrant. Carrots can also be used as a treatment for blemishes and scars, prevents wrinkles. Also, very suitable for dry skin. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna need today. Carrots, carrier oil, you can use any of your choice, but make sure it's organic. And today I'm gonna go with olive oil. Then grater. Then we're gonna need a jar as well and my container. So I'm just going to put my pot on fire and add some water into it. Cover it and allow it to come to a boil. So while my water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and grate my carrots. Using 2 carrots today, but this depends on the quantity that you want. After grating my carrot, I was so tempted to eat the carrot because this is very sweet. So after grating the carrots, I will add it into a jar, the jar that you saw earlier in this video. Then I will pour my olive oil and I'm gonna use 1 cup today. Make sure the oil covers your grated carrot. So I mix this all together to make sure they are well combined. and then I will put it into my boiling water. So after leaving it to boil for 10 minutes, I take it out from the boiling water and then I will set it aside, and leave it to cool down completely before I strain it. Now it's time to strain it to get all the oil and juice from the carrot. Now this is what I got from it. Good. So I'll go ahead and pour it into my container, and that's basically it. This is it, guys. That's how it looks. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.